Here at the CEEUS Test Lab, we make maintaining compliance easy. Once we receive your equipment, it's entered into our system, separated by class, and prepared for testing. The items are then thoroughly cleaned to remove any contaminants. Next, our certified technicians inflate each glove and visually inspect them for any defects. Inside and out. If any imperfections are found, they are circled and the glove is made unusable. Gloves that pass the manual inspection are then clipped into a dielectric machine to further test for defects. Gloves are filled with water, submerged into a tank, then energized to a specific voltage based on class. If electricity passes through a defect, it's detected by the ground rod inside each glove, closing the circuit and alerting the technician. Any defects are marked and the glove is made unusable. Passing gloves are stamped to verify compliance and packaged for delivery. With CEEUS as your partner, remaining compliant and saving lives has never been easier. Schedule your test. We'll take care of the rest.